Are you getting the Valuetuple Library DLL error after the Microsoft.NET Framework update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. While preparing the manual steps for Valuetuple Library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Valuetuple Library, the System.ValueTuple library. It provides unmanaged support for modern C/org tuple syntax in older .NET environments, facilitating the data link for structured return type manifests. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Missing or corrupted application components are the primary trigger for this error. You should reinstall the current official version of Microsoft.NET Framework to repair the core installation and restore the necessary Valuetuple Library DLL component. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Valuetuple library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. The versions of Valuetuple Library DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references Valuetuple Library Management. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Valuetuple Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.